What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, as you can see, we're not in the garage. We're not doing big DSM things, but then we are doing a DSM thing. So yeah, guys, so today I am with my buddy Luis, aka Mr. LFA TV. I don't know if you guys remember his channel. I put it down right here in the screen. He pretty much is the one that has the MK3 Supra, and I'm sure you guys seen him in a couple of my videos. But today we are going to Vegas. We're gonna go pick up a DSM for him. Can you guys guess? It's a DSM, but can you guys guess what DSM? Right now, go in the comments and comment what DSM it is, and then see if you guys are right or not. But it is a DSM. It's a really clean DSM, and he came up on a deal, and he's like, you know, why not? Like he asked me like, hey, you willing to take a little road trip and go pick up this car? So I was like, yeah, you know, I got you. So yeah, guys, right now we're in the Tundra, and we're filling up so we can hit the road. So filling her up. I don't know if he's ready for that DSM life, but I guess we'll have to find out.
There's some unfinished business I have that I had a DSM years ago, and I just never got it running properly. So not gonna lie, I'm Toyota life, but I wanna get into the DSM life too.
Yeah, guys, so back in the day he used to have a red Eagle Talon, and just pretty much at the time that he had the car, it wasn't like the right timing, so we could never figure it out to get it running right. On top of that, I was still a little young, and I was still learning, but he ended up getting rid of it. But he's always had that little soft spot for DSM, so he came up on this deal, and that's what we're gonna go get. So yeah, guys, we're gonna go ahead and fill up. We're gonna go pick up the trailer, and then we'll head to we're heading to Vegas, baby. The reason that we gotta go pick up a trailer is I guess it has a little coolant leak. And I guess it's leaking water from the water pipe that connects to the water pump itself. And to be able to get to that, you pretty much have to remove the turbo manifold, or you can take it off all the way from the thermostat housing. But just to play it safe, we just like, whatever, we'll rent a trailer and we'll just trailer it back to Arizona, just so when we're driving it back, if we did drive it back, we didn't come up on no surprises, you know. And like that, we'll just play it safe and make sure it makes it to Arizona good. So we're gonna go get the trailer, guys. We're done filling up, and I'll catch you guys when we're there. Alrighty, guys, there she is. You guys guessed 1G. You guys guessed right. Mr. LFA loading her up. Alrighty, guys, so just like that, she's on and she's ready to go home. Filling up, get ready to haul ass back to Arizona. But man, this is a clean ass 1G. Hard to find them in this condition, so definitely worth it. Definitely worth the drive, and I'm sure he's happy. You ready to build some ponies?
It's gonna be a daily.
No, daily. Hi, then. Alrighty, guys, well, she has made it home. We've made it to Arizona, and we made it safely. Everything's Gucci. So we're gonna go ahead and unload her, and yeah, guys, new beginning for this 1G. There she is. She has a little leak in the downpipe. It's missing a bolt, so it's missing just a little pipe, but other than that, she good. yeah, bro. Onesies break hella good. Hell yeah, guys. Just give you guys a little quick before we leave, but the interior is super clean. It just needs a good washing, but everything's there. On the center console, you got everything.
No hanging over.
Everything on the headliner is good. The rear, everything looks good. Really, really, really clean car. So, pop the hood, bro. There you go. Looking good, looking good. Just a couple little things here and there. Should be good as new. Alrighty guys, well that is gonna be the end of this video. Mr. LFA really did pick up a really clean onesie. It's really hard to find them in that condition, you know, with no rust, with a clean straight body, and not too many things going on as far as the motor or the transmission. Literally, what the car does need, when we got it from the owner, it has a little leak that goes from the O-ring that goes to the water pump, to the water pipe. So there's like a little O-ring that goes right there. That's where it's leaking water from. But I suggested to Mr. LFA TV that we just go ahead, switch out the pump, do a new timing belt, tensioner. It's just pretty much what I always do to everyone's cars, you know, and that I suggest, just so you know that you don't have to worry about it. Or, you know, what if he just changes that ring and then later on the water pump goes out? So I just told him, hey, you know what, just let's do, you know, timing belt, water pump. Let's eliminate the balance shafts if you want to do it. And he said yeah, so he went ahead and he ordered all those parts, and we are going to be doing that. I'm going to put his link down on the description, and then so you guys can go check it out. He's going to be uploading some videos on that car as well. But like I said, guys, I get a lot of DMs on Instagram, people asking me like, do you know where I can find a clean onesie like this? And to be honest, guys, it's really hard to come up on a onesie that's that clean, especially for the price that he got it for. Like, cause he came up for sure. So he came up on a good deal. I've had my onesie like for about 8 years now, and you know, I won't sell it. I won't let it go for anything. But yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button. If you guys are not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. If you guys do not follow me on Instagram, please go follow me at 4G63Addict. And stay tuned, guys, for the next one.